What's going on, Jules? It is me, JuGalaxSea, and I'm back with a Bratz unboxing. I have both Kylie's day and night look dolls, and I also have a couple of Series 2 minis. I actually have 3 surprises for us to open today, so let's get Before we can really get into it, let me give a shout out to today's makeup sponsor, honey. The full face is One Size Beauty. On the eyes, I have the Visionary palette. Oh my gosh, yes, she is well loved. But the main shadows of today's look is Everything, which is dead center, and the liquid eyeshadow. It's called an eyeshadow popper in the shade Everything and More. And they are literally, they're sisters. They're made for each other. As my primer, I use the Secure the Sweat primer, which gets me silky, smooth, and keeps everything just like really stuck in place. Next, I went in with the Turn Up the Base BBB cream. I am using the shade Dark 2, which is a beautiful match. This is full coverage, you guys. On the lip, I am wearing the Lip Snatcher Duo in the shade Trade Finder. So I did a clear gloss, but the liquid lip color Trade Finder. It was a beautiful match to my nails. And last but not least, Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation, which actually this one says my name on it. I am the face of the shade Dark 4G. You cannot go wrong with that one. Even if you use it as an eyeshadow, a bronzer, or if it is your overall skin tone, Dark 4G. So this is the packaging for Series 2. Very similar to the Series 1. I'm very glad Bratz is in the miniverse because these are so cute. I haven't taken time to make a necklace or any earrings yet, but I've seen the cutest DIYs with this. So here is the check off sheet. Let's see who is all available in Series 2. On the top row, we have Series 2 girls. In the middle, we have Girls Night Out minis. And on the bottom, we have the Rock Angels. And then on the back side, we have Wintertime Wonderland, which, baby, if we get repros of Wintertime Wonderland, okay. And then we have Slumber Party dolls, some accessories. We have Pretty and Punk girlies, some more like playset minis, a styling head. Yeah, these are some cute minis. I really like to display my minis in my little playset areas because I have the Bratz pad, I have the limousine. I have quite a few playsets that is like, yeah, they don't need that stand that it comes with. Okay, so this is a double. It is still very, very cute. I do not have the red motorcycle full size, so it is cute to have it as a mini. These things are just literally so detailed. Like, it's kind of insane how detailed these are. They literally, it's a mini replica. Like, if this is anything like Series 1's mini surprises, whatever they come with the first one, it's gonna always have the second one, which this one has Pretty and Punk eaten on there. He is so cute. It has all the boys like, oh my gosh. And it literally has the, like, when I say these are mini replicas, like, these are literally replicas. It actually has a picture of the playset on the bottom. So this is my second one. Oh my gosh, yay. So we have Yasmin, Pretty and Punk. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Like, I love this. I don't have her full size yet, but she is in my Amazon cart. Oh, the girls don't. Okay, so the girls apparently do not have the playset picture on the bottom, but she's still cute. So if you get Pretty and Punk Yasmin, you will most likely get, ooh, Series 2 Kumi. Series 2 Kumi. Looking cute, looking gorgeous. I have her. I think I got rid of her. I may have her in box in storage, but I actually think that I do not have her anymore. I do, however, have all of her repro clothes because I was really in love with her fit. I think she is really gorgeous. I'm in love with the detail on the hat. Like, she's a good repro. Okay, this is the last series surprise that I have. Okay, so it is a double to one that I have, but I am still very happy to have this because now I can open one and then still have one in the box. This is the classic, is this called a classic cruiser? I think this is the FM cruiser. I'm calling it a classic cruiser because this is like, I think the first cruiser that they made for the Bratz in full size. Oh my gosh, like, how did they print? I don't get it. Really did their thing with this mini replica. Like, These are just so cute. So the rest of series 2 that I have is Girls Night Out Yasmin, but I still find her to be extremely cute. Baby, Rock Angel Sasha, come on now. She is stunning. Like, she looks really, really good. Series 2 Kiana, okay, I'm really glad that they did this because I like her box. Like, her overall look is one of my faves of all of the regular, like, classic Bratz minis. Tokyo Go Fiona, which is gorgeous. That pink hair is pink, honey. But the box, the Tokyo line. Series 2 Megan, which one that I'm happy to have just for completion. So y'all wasn't gonna tell me that I forgot one. You guys, what was the last one that I opened? I think it was the Cruiser, and I just got so sidetracked. So let's see what comes with that. Okay, she's a little stuck. Okay, so I got a double. So Yasmin comes with the Cruiser. Does that one look a little better? No, she actually looks a little more out of place. Yeah, she's actually more out of place than the one that I already had, but whatever. So this double, I might save her for a trade. Out of the girls that I need on this side, I really, really want Wintertime Wonderland Sasha. And baby, I need that egg chair, like, no joke. From this side, the girls that I really need, I need a Girls Night Out Sasha and another repro Rock Angel Sasha so I can take her out. I'll take another Kiana, and oh my gosh, definitely never needs to be complete. It is time for Kylie. Oh my gosh, so Kylie looks so good. Now the packaging, it's unique, you know. I'm gonna give it some credit for being unique. It could have maybe had a picture on the back, you know, maybe, or maybe like a little bit of artwork. I don't know, just like a little something else, but it is cute. I can't say that I just don't like it. It's just, I definitely probably would have added more to it. Also, I love that it says her name, but the placement of her name, it really throws off my view of her screening and her face. Like, I went to Target and was picking out, let me talk and open. I went to Target and picked this one out, went through so many different screenings just to find the best one, because one issue that I found repeating with trying to find a good Kylie was the lip placement itself was completely off, like literally to the side, not evenly ombre. Like, there was just a lot going on. So, and then picking her with this box was like even harder. So I'm actually gonna open the box and we'll be back. By the way, the poster for her is in the back, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. The daytime poster of Kylie is giving. I do like a double-sided poster, but I am very satisfied with this. Like, being one side in the cartoon of her, like, she looks sickening. She has the Kylie shoes on, her hair and bangs look amazing. Is that a phone I spied? Because I wish that the Kylie doll came with that phone. Here she is in all of her glory, okay? So this Kylie day look would have fit so in with a motorcycle, like either motorcycle Cade Repro or just Kylie on a freaking like pink or purple motorcycle. She would have ate. I love how basic or like plain this doll is because she can flow with a lot of different collections. The shoes, darling, the shoes are giving. Huge platform heels. They say Kylie all over it. Well, on the front it says Kylie, and it's the actual lipstick tube in the back. So I see how the colors correspond with the bag, but I do wish they would have picked a different color, like maybe a brighter pink or just something, because it's not a bad color, but it's just not my favorite. Kylie's skin tone is like honestly, a medium orange skin tone. She looks good. She definitely looks good. I don't know how well she's gonna match like my Yasmin shoes or just any of the other girls that are along this line. I love how full her hair is. Now this hair has a lot of gel. She's gonna need a really good wash. The sunglasses fit pretty balanced, you know, for the most part. Her earrings are cute, they're silver. Like, to me, my Selena doll. Like, every time I see this doll, I literally think of a Selena Bratz doll. They do come with a certificate of authenticity and the classic star hairbrush. So this is the Kylie night look, and it comes with her dog, Norman. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she is giving, like, she is giving high glamour. The box looks just like the last one. Absolutely nothing on the back, nothing on the bottom, nothing on the front. It has the same Kylie that is blocking the view of the screening, which I wish they would have put it on the side, just lower in general, like just somewhere that is not blocking the screening. Also, another thing, I heard dog Norman more so fitting in with the day look, like, and then for the night look, I wish that it would have came with either like a pink carpet or a red carpet, and also the security gates for that. Like, I think some of her minis came with them, and then what really comes to mind is the Rock Angels Megan, how it has those like chains. I don't know if it was like a physical toy or if it was just paper, but just the idea of that being with the night look for the red carpet or the pink carpet, it made more sense. So this is Kylie's night look. She is so flipping gorgeous. Okay, so I thought I liked the day look more. No, it's all about the night look. And it might be because the hair is just so perfectly done, because the screenings are basically the same screening, but the hair, she has a lot less hair, a lot more of a detailed look. Like, oh, gag, she looks good. The gown, like literally the replica of the gown is actually quite amazing. I love that this mold comes with a ring on her. So the bottom half is like a velvet texture, and the top half is this called mesh? I am calling it mesh. I hope that's the proper term for it, but as you see, it's this material, a little see-through. Now, the arm is actually see-through, but the bodice is a nude illusion. Like, let me show you the back where the clothes fold over, then you could really see. And this is a gorgeous nude illusion, because to me, from the sides and the front, that looks like that you're seeing right through the dress to the doll. But then when you get to the back, you can see how that is literally like nude. So it's like, wow, y'all ate. So she comes with her own certificate of authenticity. She comes with her poster. Now this one, I really wish they would have done double-sided. Sickening photo of Miss Kylie, but I would love that on the back side, and then just like a solo shot of her Bratz character on the other side. Her nighttime look comes with her pup Norman, and he is so cute. So I did Google a couple pictures of him. This one is a little lighter than the actual pup that she has. I like that he has a little weight to him. He's not like too heavy, but has a little weight. And I also like that he looks like a real dog. Which is interesting because Bratz always gives character in like cartoon, but this one really looks like him. I do wish that he was posable, but he's not. I mean, you could kind of like bend him a little bit, but I wouldn't put too much pressure because I don't see it holding and I don't see it bouncing back. Final verdict, I would highly recommend getting the Bratz Kylie Jenner collab. Some of the minis, like I said, I really want some of the Kylie minis. Not all of them, but some of them I have to have. Out of these two, honestly, I would get them both. But if I really just had to pick one doll, it would be the night doll. She is just, oh, she's giving. She really is. The daytime doll, I'm excited to redress her. Like, I want to see Megan in her outfit. I want to see Felicia in her outfit. And then I want to put her daytime doll in my high school scene. I know she'll fit in perfectly with my pajama scene, but for some reason she's giving like young, fresh high school or even college girl. And then Miss Nighttime look over here. She is sickening. I do have a double of her I did get. So I am gonna redress her. She looks really good in her original outfit, but I don't have many of the formal funk outfits. I think I have like one outfit of formal funk. So I'm gonna have to get more because I can see her fitting in there. But for the meantime, I believe I'm gonna place her in my Moa Lola collab section. So sorry, I forgot to talk about price point. Price point real quick before I forget. These dolls are $30 US. That is kind of insane to me for this to be a celebrity collaboration and then a Kylie Jenner celebrity Bratz collaboration. Like, just in my head, I'm thinking, yeah, maybe the minis cost $30 each. Like, you're not even gonna get two in the pack. You're gonna get one for $30 because, hello, it's Kylie Jenner. So the fact that we got a full-size Bratz doll with a poster, with the hair comb, sunglasses, a pet Norman, like literally an iconic dress, like just so much for $30. I'm like, baby, yes, that is literally amazing. Like, that alone says to run and go get her. Her 24-inch doll is listed at, I want to say, $99 US. Right now, I don't have a need for her. I did want her when I first saw her. I was like, oh my gosh, yeah, I need her. Well, not like soft need, like I really, really wanted her. But now I'm just like, I like the smaller dolls. I don't really have space for the big one. I'm not that much of a Kylie Jenner fan that I need to have like all three of them. If they would have made that lavender look as a regular size Bratz doll, hands down, I would have got her for sure. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment below something positive. Tell me what's going on. Tell me what Bratz finds you are planning on getting. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.